Oh, let me adjust that. There we go. Hey guys, let's actually work on the linear bearing today. So what I've done is I've 3D printed a linear bearing, and this is of my own design. I've got this here. The parts just pop right off the bottom. Linear bearing, what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to test fit this. Let me move the camera and get focused in on the desk here. So I've got a section of the old mostly printed CNC machine. Got some tools, don't need this light. Pretty confined space. I'm going to take some parts off of here. We're going to try to build it onto this component. Yeah, we'll just see how it goes. Here we go. Oh man. I figured out you can build this whole thing with an adjustable wrench. Just hate adjustable wrenches. This thing is wildly complex. I've always thought that like the center section of a mostly printed CNC machine was kind of its downfall to me personally. I mean, like, I enjoyed the mostly printed CNC machine for the most part. It had like a lot of like issues with like bending as it was like as you were like pushing through a cut. And I even printed in a full ABS mostly printed CNC machine. Okay, so the reason I'm doing this is because like I had these bearings on the old mostly printed CNC machine, and like listen, hear that? Okay, with this one. Ooh, man, that is gross. That's those blue ones. They're blue on the inside. See, blue. These go in the trash. What I'm looking for is like, so I bought these things. See, no noise. No matter how much dust they got on them, they always remain like that. I really should be like cleaning these. That's how I'm gonna clean those. Okay, so this thing goes away. This thing goes back in the box. I need that for now. I hate shit that comes out of the box. Okay, now this thing. I'll pull the center section out of here. Somehow, maybe not. Having a cheap multi-purpose tool laying around. I have an expensive one, but it's hard to get at right now, so I'm just gonna do this. I'm not trying to go crazy, I'm just trying to clear the hole out a little bit. And understanding clearing the hole out is, I know it's complicated right now. It's tricky. Okay. Gosh, that's really not clean. That is the one problem to printing brim on a 3D printer, is you just like, nothing is clean. Okay. Sometimes what I do too is I'll just like grab it and like try to unzip it like that. If it's following like very angular lines, I found that it does that. But that's good enough right there. Alright, so this goes in the trash. Into there. Okay, now let's try to put these bolts and nuts. And there's 3 different sizes. 3 different sizes. Ba-ding! Long one up here. These 2 are shorter. Get yourself one of these. This thing. There's better ones. Obviously, in the tool world, there's guys that like to probably reviews on tools like all day long. If only you had the time, right? I forgot about that. there's an order to the chaos. You have to do. Whoa. You have to do these side ones first. That was another reason why I had to design my own thingy. Yeah, this is good. Okay. There we go. This shit's so wild to like think about and then like make in reality. I love it. Whoa, whoa. Okay. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. This is everything I'm having to do to create this product. Here we go. Whoa. Look at that, folks. Look at that. God, that is a successful homemade linear bearing with universal mounting holes. These are SBU, what is that? SBU something something. We'll get there. I'll show you it. But look at that. Holy crap, first try. That's awesome. So and two, like if it's too small, you just crank it down and it like, it's an art form to finding the tension. And we'll explore that when I build 3 more of these. And then I have to build a rail system. Cool. All right, there it is, homemade linear bearing. If anybody's interested, I can show you how to manipulate the files so you can create this for any size round tubing very quickly. Using SketchUp, which is free too. Cool. All right, thanks for watching.